Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to start working on getting all the wiring done, so come along. Yeah, so I know this looks like a mess right now. I'm going to start peeling out some of the wires that we're not going to use, start rerouting them. I might put the ECU in and start running the wires there. I'll be pretty happy if I can get all of the headlights, taillights working tonight. One of the things I do have to do first though is I have to check the ignition switch and see if it works the way I think it works. Because that'll help significantly when it comes down to wiring the starter and all that kind of things. But yeah, I'm gonna do that and I think we'll go from there. Well, I started wiring up the tail lights. Show you what I got going on. Well, putting connectors on them. That's what we got. I mean, it's a 4-pin, but that's fine. Come on, focus. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on doing the other side. I don't know how much time we have. I might try and mess with the actual stuff back there too. But now let's finish wiring that up. So we're gonna try powering up the taillight here real quick. We'll see how well that works. Jason's in there hooking up a jump box.
Ready?
Yep, and then you're gonna have to put the key in. You're gonna have to turn it to the accessory position.
Oh, okay.
Well, I would hook that up first just to see if we get anything.
So far done.
Ah, look at that.
Got taillights.
Is the key in?
No.
Okay.
I'll put the key in.
Well, we got taillights, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that didn't change anything.
Well, we'll have to figure that out.
Yeah, so there's accessory. Well, let me see, does this switch work?
Yeah, that's what was doing it.
Right, well, that's probably why this key is probably not, who knows what. Okay.
All right, go ahead and shut that off.
Probably want to select the new key.
Same wire up and then flip the switch. Oh!
Big spark. Huh, look at that.
Flip the switch again. Well, I might have bad connection here. So we tested the headlight too, got that working. We're gonna have to obviously wire everything just because we were excited. I screwed up one of the connectors though, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. Whatever. Jason.
That's the way it goes, man. Sometimes it gets messed up. We made some awesome progress on the car though. Figured out some of the wiring. They did have an older wiring system that was made to just pop in there, but we're gonna have to do a little modifying on that. But yeah, we made great progress on the project today. That's all I got.
That's all you got? right, so the headlights should be wired up correctly. The taillights should be as well. So a lot of the wiring needs to be tidied up, but they're held in place. So I'm gonna check it here real quick and see how it goes. We should, in theory, have working headlights and working brake lights. The only wild card here is I don't really have a jump box or a battery hooked up, so we'll have to try the one I got and see if it works. If not, I'll test it tomorrow. But let's give it a shot and see what happens. So yeah, Jason's gonna hop in there real quick, and should just have to flip the switch on the dash, I think. Oh, we got headlights. See, we got taillights. Oh, cheers. Last step on the brakes. Oh, Jason, we got working brake lights too, buddy.
That's sweet.
Dude.
All right.
So yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, so now that we have the basic chassis wiring all done, I'm gonna work on doing the engine harness wiring. And yeah, because if we can get that, yeah, because that's, I'm gonna do the engine harness stuff because we're close. I want to start it while Jason's still here on Thursday, so that way he can enjoy the fruits of our labor. But yeah, let's get the engine stuff going. But we got the ECU mounted. Working on a fuel line there. Gonna run the wires to the back where the battery goes. Alright, so here's where we're at with this. We got the cam sensor plugged in right here. Got all these wires down here. So I'm doing a drive-by-wire car. So a lot of these aren't gonna get used. One of the ones that is gonna get used though is this coolant temp sensor. Well, I changed the head location because I wanted, the coolant temp sensor normally goes right here. I've got it on the other side because I wanted it to be a little bit cleaner of a look. But for convenience sake, I might just take this plug out, switch it over there, vice versa. This one, I somehow have to get up there. So I'm gonna see if they make an adapter harness. You can definitely tell, that this harness was made for like a stock intake manifold. None of this would really be a problem in that case. I am gonna leave the ignition coil connector down here because with the headers coming up, I'm gonna actually mount the coils down here. Probably actually up here. But that's kind of where we're at with that. I'm gonna keep tidying up some stuff just to see how I like it, so I can order some things. Well, that's where I'm gonna leave the wiring after right now. I've got all the rear wiring ran. It's a little messy back there, but it's ran at least. The ECU is mounted. We have some wire into a battery. I've got a new ignition switch, but I'm not gonna wire it up until the car's running. There's a lot of the rest of the wiring that I'm just gonna wait until the car's running because I wanna take out as many possibilities that it could be wrong, because it would suck if it was just a wiring reason that it didn't want to start. So that's what we're gonna do now, is we're gonna try getting it running. Once it's running, we can start tidying up the wiring, running grommets, putting the new ignition switch in, and everything like that. So this is actually where I'm gonna leave this video because I don't know how long it's gonna take me to start the engine here. But like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.